In this video, we are going to talk about how you can get a logo for free of cost. So if you're a college student and looking for a free logo for your project, or maybe you are just starting up your business and you don't want to spend too much on your logo, then you can of course get it for free. So whatever your reason is, this video is for you. So let's quickly start with our website number 1, where you can get the high quality free logo, and that is Canva. And now this is not just a logo creation site, it is a complete one-stop solution for your design requirements, and all that at free of cost. So if you want to create a logo, all you have to do is just click on create a design, and here you can type in logo and then choose the template. And here we are in a blank canvas, and on the right and on the left hand side we can choose all the ready-made designs for logo, and all of them are very high quality. So you can easily choose any one of the free option available here, and let's say if we choose this one, so as you can see it got a background as well, and that is the limitation of free Canva, that it will not allow you to download the transparent PNG. But the easy workaround is that if you are using this logo for your website, then you can easily put a background color here which is matching your header. Or if you are using this for any print media, then of course you can choose any background which is similar to your print media and then use the logo from here. All you have to do is just click here and you can start typing anything here. So that is something pretty easy and straightforward. Another website that you can use to create your free logo is hatchful.shopify.com. Now, as the name suggests, it is a website from Shopify, and it helps you create free logo for your business. And not just logo, it provides you various other things as well. So in order to create your logo, you first need to create a free account on this site, and then you can go ahead and click on get started. And here you won't find interface like Canva where you can just drag and drop elements and create your own custom logo. You need to select your category and then they will give you certain options. So maybe we can select food and drink, and on the next step you can choose the visual style. So maybe we can choose creative and maybe futuristic. So you can choose any style from here and then click on next. And now it's time to enter the business name. So maybe we just enter a sample name here. You can enter a slogan, so it will be visible if it is available in your sample design. And now here is asking how you're going to use it so that it can give you the desired files. So you can choose any option from here, but in our case we will choose online website. So we'll select that and click on next. So here are the options. Depending upon their backend system, they generated few logos here. And let's say if we select this one, so here is an option to edit the logo. And now we can just edit the name of the business, and you can give a slogan. And as I mentioned before, it depends what template or which logo template you use. So this logo template does not carry a slogan, so it's not editable here. Now you can change the style of the logo that you have selected. So you can choose any ready-made style here. After this, you can play around with the color scheme as well. So that's how it works. And then you can change the icon. So maybe if you are not using for coffee or any food, so this could be your logo. And for the layout, you can also play around with that. But if you just need a free logo just to start with your website, then it's a good option. So let's click on next and see what it provides. So now it says your package is complete. Here is how it will look on your Facebook, Instagram, Facebook page and all the other stuff. So let's click on download, and it's going to generate some files and it will send it on your email ID. So you can download it from there. So here is the mail from the website. So here is our zip file. Let's click on download. So if we open the zip file, here you can see all the files that we got for our logo. And the best part is we also have a transparent logo. And apart from a transparent logo, you get all the different banners and logos for your social media profile. So this is also a very good option here. So these are the two sites that you can easily use to create a free logo for your business website. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.